My name is Trooper Kevin McGregor, Troop D here in Concord, New Hampshire. So today I'm on a distracted driving detail. So I'm out here on the road looking for people driving while actively using their cell phone, not paying attention to the road and potentially causing a hazard. While I'm driving, I tend to look into cars as I pass to see if somebody has a phone in their hand, if they're actively using it. There we go. I'm not out here trying to take money out of your pocket. We're trying to make the road safer for everybody, okay? All right, you got 30 days to take care of that. All the instructions right here on the back. Do you have any questions? All right, just please stay off your phone, man, all right? All right, you drive safe. We see crashes every day out here on the highway, and the main difference between the crashes on the highway and those on the surface streets are the speeds are so much greater out here that the damage to vehicles and the risk of injury is substantially greater. Seeing everything from minor fender benders where there's no injury, just some minor damage to the car, to rollover crashes where the car is unrecognizable. So the reason I'm stopping you, you're at the traffic light there,
Yeah.
and texting away on your phone. Today I am on a distracted driving detail, okay? So I am gonna cite you for using your phone while you're driving. It's just a thing, we're trying to get awareness to everybody. So many bad things can happen if you're not paying attention to the road, okay? So just keep that in mind and just stay off your phone while you're driving, okay? If you really need to use it, find somewhere safe to pull over, all right? My usual conversation with people is I try to be reasonable and understanding. I'll hold them accountable for what they did, but let them know that my goal is to not take money out of their pocket. My goal is to just make the road safe for everybody.